Atlanta is often referred to as the city in a forest due to its abundance of trees, with over 48% of the city covered in greenery. The city played a significant role in the Civil War, serving as a major supply hub for the Confederate Army. Its capture in 1864 was pivotal to the Union's victory. Atlanta is home to the world's busiest airport, Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, which has held this title for several years. The city is a major center for the television and film industry, with numerous productions filmed in and around Atlanta, including The Walking Dead and Stranger Things. Atlanta was the birthplace of Martin Luther King Jr., and the Martin Luther King Jr. National Historical Park is located in the city. The city hosted the Summer Olympics in 1996, which significantly boosted its global profile and led to extensive urban development. Atlanta is known for its diverse culinary scene, including its famous fried chicken, barbecue, and soul food. The city is a major educational hub, home to several prestigious institutions, including Emory University and Georgia Tech. Atlanta boasts a rich musical heritage, being the birthplace of artists across various genres, including hip-hop, R&B, and country music. The Fox Theater, a former movie palace, is a historic landmark in Atlanta and hosts Broadway shows and concerts. Atlanta is the headquarters for several major corporations, including Coca-Cola, Delta Air Lines, and Home Depot. The Beltline, a former railway corridor, has been transformed into a multi-use trail that promotes walking, cycling, and urban revitalization. The city has a vibrant art scene, with numerous galleries, museums, and theaters, including the High Museum of Art. Atlanta is known for its historic neighborhoods, such as Inman Park and Grant Park, which feature Victorian-era homes and rich history. The Atlanta Botanical Garden features stunning plant collections and hosts seasonal events, including a popular holiday light display. The city is well known for its sports teams, including the Atlanta Braves, MLB, Atlanta Falcons, NFL, and Atlanta Hawks, NBA. Piedmont Park, located in the heart of Atlanta, is a large urban park that hosts various festivals and outdoor activities throughout the year. The Atlanta History Center offers extensive exhibits on the city's history, including a Civil War museum and historic homes. The city has a strong presence in the tech industry, often referred to as Silicon Peach, due to its growing number of startups and tech companies. Atlanta's Sweet Auburn neighborhood is historically significant as a center of African American culture and commerce. The city is known for its unique architecture, blending historic buildings with modern skyscrapers. The Georgia Aquarium, located in downtown Atlanta, is one of the largest aquariums in the world and houses thousands of marine species. Atlanta has a humid subtropical climate, characterized by hot summers and mild winters, which contributes to the lush greenery. The city is home to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, a major public health institution. The Atlanta Cyclorama, a large panoramic painting, depicts the Battle of Atlanta and is housed at the Atlanta History Center. Atlanta has produced numerous famous figures, including authors like Margaret Mitchell, who wrote Gone with the Wind. The city hosts the annual Atlanta Film Festival, one of the largest and longest-running film festivals in the US. Atlanta's streets are named after trees, a reflection of the city's commitment to preserving its natural environment. The city has a thriving nightlife scene, with numerous bars, clubs, and music venues, particularly in neighborhoods like Midtown and Buckhead. The Georgia State Capitol, an architectural landmark, is known for its gold dome and is a symbol of the state's government. Atlanta is a key transportation hub, with numerous interstate highways converging in the city, making it accessible from various regions. The historic Fox Theater was originally built as a movie palace in the 1920s and features stunning Moorish-style architecture. Atlanta is known for its festivals, including Music Midtown, Dragon Con, and the Atlanta Dogwood Festival. The city has a rich literary history, with several authors, poets, and playwrights finding inspiration in its culture and environment. Atlanta's MARTA system provides public transportation via buses and trains, serving as an essential means of commuting for residents. The city has a strong sense of community, with numerous neighborhood associations and local organizations promoting civic engagement. Atlanta's Stone Mountain Park features a massive granite mountain with a carved Confederate memorial and is a popular outdoor destination. The city has a significant LGBTQ+ community and hosts one of the largest Pride festivals in the Southeast. Atlanta is known for its historical landmarks, such as the Margaret Mitchell House and the Oakland Cemetery. The Atlanta Braves made history in 1995 by winning the World Series, the first title for the franchise since relocating to Atlanta. The city is influential in the civil rights movement, with several key events and organizations emerging from Atlanta in the 1960s. Atlanta's cultural diversity is reflected in its neighborhoods, with various communities representing different ethnicities and cultures. The World of Coca-Cola is a popular attraction showcasing the history and impact of the Coca-Cola brand. Atlanta's Ponce City Market is a historic building transformed into a mixed-use space with shops, restaurants, and offices. The city has a strong commitment to sustainability and green initiatives, promoting urban agriculture and eco-friendly practices. Atlanta has a growing film industry, often referred to as Hollywood of the South, attracting filmmakers with tax incentives.